Yeah, Chris. Absolute grace.
Oh, fuck yeah.
We're just collecting people as we go.
We really are. I feel like that happens in a children's book, but I can't remember which.
What was that about?
Okay, no, there's a game going on where, okay, this is demonstration. Where if you go like this and someone goes like, if someone's like this, it's 30 points. If you're like that, it's 10 points. And if you're like that, just one, it's 10 points.
Michael, you look so uncomfortable.
I'm not.
No. Love that.
Just smile and wave, kids. Smile and wave.
None of you. I grabbed you.
All right, come on, children.
Just walk through your shot.
That's great.
It's okay. It makes it more realistic.
Yeah. Oh my god, you're just trying to mooch that fucking bagel off her.
That was $2. 321.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
321.
Cream cheese costs more money.
You don't want your bagel that much?
Are you searching up Tims?
Yeah, no, it's not.
What's on your back, my dude?
What's on my back?
I don't know, you got spots on your back.
It's a hand.
Freckles are growing out. Onto a
This is the most typical college shit I've ever seen.
Yeah, you get that captions.
Listen.
You deal with his wrist memes like the fucking rest of us.
You think you were passive?
Great shot right there. Thanks, Chris. You look like you're gonna actually murder us.
Years of soccer don't fail me.
There you go.
Bitch! You're just gonna kick this all the way back to res? That's a challenge.
I'm just happy it didn't explode on my white sneakers.
Yeah, your bougie ass.
Don't hit the cart!
Oh my god! You're a crackhead. We're never gonna see him again. He's literally... No littering! Yay! You recycled! Good man!
You can't do the Macarena dance to another song. That's not allowed.
I'm in the vlog right now.
Yep.
You asked for my permission.
Nope.
I'll fucking sue you.
Yeah.
For all you're worth, I'm taking your $12.
Oh no. I wish my net worth was that much. I don't think I'm even at that.
Sweet.
Oh gosh.
I will definitely.
I need to see an angle where I can get both of you. Okay, yeah, this works.
Yeah. I love the idea that you think I'm gonna hate you of all people not balls.
Yeah, just like aim for Paul. I'll go roll.
You act like I'm not already.
Teague.
This is actually just
It's been real.
Paul and feel no guilt.
Holy fucking shit!
That's such a clean
I'm kidding, I didn't. Let me see. Holy fuck.
Oh my god!
Hold on, let me get a...
That knife is sharper than I thought it was.
I can't believe that just happened.
Are you doing it underhand now? That's cool. Okay, yeah. Just put it in.
That's fucking terrifying. Okay, ready?
Wait.
3, 2, 1.
Yeah, go. Oh.
Let me see what you have.
Oh.
Okay.
Watch out, it looks like Hannah has a sensitive neck, so you wanna...
Shut the fuck.
Okay, right?
Ooh, close though.
Now she holds the apple and you throw the knife at her. Put it on her head and we'll just...
Anyone have any like
Oh!
Another clean slice, that's pretty nice.
I will eat that slice. Bold of you to assume I won't eat this right now.
Toss it to go teal.
Sure. No, it sounds good.
It's fine.
It's fine, yeah.
Okay, ready?
It's fine. Hold on, yeah.
I'm okay. Definitely.
This is horrifying. Now I'm on the other side.
Yeah, I know. Ready?
Oh! Okay, my turn. Wait, I don't want to be liable for this. Never mind.
My turn.
We're not showing
No, it's just going on YouTube. Ethan, you're the person I trust least with the knife. Bitch.
Did you see him?
You guys are gonna have to clean this up.
Yeah, we're gonna have to clean it up.
Yeah, exactly. So when it hits anyone, it won't hurt.
Motherfucker.
T-ball it?
Yeah.
Can we pick this up?
Alright, someone's gonna clean this up.
Yeah.
Wow.
This is obviously a very good purchase.
I'm on the fridge.
Oh my god,
Hannah, I watched your vlog.
yes, it's good.
How about vlog?
Yeah, you're in it. It was what? It just like appeared. What the heck?
It's fine. Yeah, I have a vlog. It's a good time. Okay. Hello, indeed.
Personal
Midsummer Night's Dream.
I did not read A Midsummer Night's Dream. I have to though. Look at him. Does he have a name? Oh my god.
Gizmo.
Gizmo. Aw, you're so cute. Oh my god, that's literally not allowed. That's actually not allowed.
Gizmo.
I love him.
That's boy, but
You won him at an arcade. Oh, okay, we're getting locked out now.
You fucking without me?
Trying to play volleyball. I bounced the ball.
Is that what you're supposed to do in volleyball?
No. You know what I do? I go like this. I bounce it.
No.
And then I go.
No. Fuck right off. This is just gonna be the Tori reaction show. Look at you ladies. Beach.
Michael!
Yay! Okay, you missed so much.
Michael, they steal a bike. No! Why? Disrespect Boiling Sweden seen the movie today?
Oh my god. Don't fuck you.
Thank you for that. Oh my god, are you gonna take a video of your makeup?
Yeah, well this is vlog style, so this is, oh yes, that fucking shot, Hannah! Paul, are we ordering food?
I say we do that one.
It's like 10:30 and then Paul comes in and wants wings. And Ethan wanted to kill a man for wings.
Yeah, it's a good one. 2 people.
Okay, if I call, do I ask for hot?
You're supposed to hold me down, but you holding me back, and that's the sound of me not calling you back. Why I'm in great till I gotta be great. Don't catch me till it's just in my face. Best friend sat me down in the salon chair. Shampoo press gets you out of my hair.
Okay, makes sense, yeah.
That's a blue break. I trust Tara on this.
She have a camera
Blood and
and I can get into the scene.
Blood and jizz, bro.
How is your day going, Casey?
Sounds like my
Going well.
Yes, you're so productive. You're actually studying and we're just like, oh my gosh.
Fuck my drinks.
No one wants to fuck your drinks.
I hope not.
Going to make your white Russian extra pretty. It's full of fingers.
This is what he was doing 2 seconds ago, I swear to God.
What do you look like you're trying to stab them?
He's very angry at it.
Fuck the patriarchy.
Amen, bro.
Chivalry!
Is dead.
Hey, you did it!
Fucking came all over myself.
Like, I know your secret. You dirty.
You should have just like leaned in real close and just like,
Faggots.
that would have been kind of funny.
It would have been horrible.
It would have but we all would have laughed.
Can you imagine the meme potential?
Could you imagine like
Bro, I would have that saved as like a reaction video.
Yeah.
We hating on fags belong to daddy.
No, that's what they said in the group chat.
Hypothetically, you would be daddy's girl. And I'm saying, for example, you are a little girl, so you are daddy's little girl, and you have been very naughty. That would make you daddy's naughty little girl, would it not? Correct?
This sounds like a John Mulaney
That
skit.
follows the thing that if you are a naughty little girl, you are a slut. Meaning, you are daddy's naughty little slut.
So fucking good.
Oh my god.
Can you just drink your drink rather than videotaping it?
Is that Alvin and the Chipmunks?
So I don't want to get too. I don't.
Plug.
That's why me and Michael
Plug.
have shit. Sorry.
I'm 100% sober right now, I promise. Take my word for it.
I've made enough drinks for him to know that that's not true.
I don't think
I've never done anything. Does that mean I'm immortal?
I
hope not.
Oh my god, Tori, shut up.
The world is going to end.
Stop it! We're all
one
gonna
here-
live forever. I'm gonna live forever.
No one here is gonna live forever.
I'm gonna live forever! I'm gonna live forever!
The world is ending.
Make me!
The world is
You guys both 2 sub for this.
Funny that you assume you won't die from my hate crime.
Fuck you, Paul.
Too real. Bitch, that's too fucking real. You want a reaction video? It's too real. Too real.
I literally can't believe that just happened. I literally can't believe. Oh, you guys want a moment?
Far too sober for this. Fucking hell.
No, you're not. That's the thing. You're not.
Ethan, I only have so much space. Fucking hell.
Huh?
My toes.
Bitch, I go crazy the dumb way. Bitches wanna be me one day. You know my brothers on that one plate.
Are you gonna make out?
He like bought an oil rig or something.
Yeah, that's the problem.
Like, you wanna fuck? I was like, I got nothing better to do.
Is this the same chick that tries to send you nudes where you're like, I'm in a smash tournament?
No. Those are 2 other girls.
Yeah.
Tinder is a wild
You missed
place,
out on
my
like a
big
good
man.
week of like good vlog material. We were playing Smash Bros. And he's like, oh wait guys,
Oh yeah.
this chick wants me to send her nudes, but I'm like,
Ethan, you're such a
I only
whore.
said it because Paul looked over and was like,
I looked over as well.
Are
I was
those
like, what's
titties?
going
And
on?
I was like, yeah.
Oh wait, you're
Tara's secretly a top.
Why you have that on your?
It's none of your business.
Yes, it is. Why?
You just fucking said it. Say it again.
Santa's coming tonight.
Santa's
Santa's
coming
not over there. Let's go.
I know, me too. I don't. Are you trying to melt?
No, that's what I call a lap dance.
Oh, sure. Sir, I'm Alexander Hamilton. I'm at your service, sir. I have been looking for you. I'm getting nervous. Sir, I heard your name in Princeton. I was seeking an accelerated course of study. When I got sort of out of sorts with a buddy of yours, I may have punched him. It's a blur. Sir, he handles the financials. You punched the bursar. Yes, I wanted to do what you did, graduate to join the revolution. He looked at me like I was stupid. I'm not stupid. So how'd you do it? How'd you graduate so fast? It was my parents' dying wish before they passed. You're an orphan. Of course. I'm an orphan. God, I wish there was some war that we could prove that we're worth more than anyone bargained for. Can I buy you a drink? That would be nice. While we're talking, let me offer you some free advice.
So you can put this in the vlog because it doesn't have any alcohol in it.
Only inside our bodies.
Not mine.
Yeah, this is just Paul. And he is so proud.
Look at Sophie. Hi, MTV, and welcome to my crib. It's great in here. I'm looking at dog pictures and a big black
There you go.
Oh, look at the dog